Welcome back to one more interesting session, and you are watching Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School's exclusive class for you. So children, in the previous session what we have learned? Yes, we have studying about opposites. Yes, we'll take one short review. For that, take your literacy skill book and workbook also, okay? So children, I hope you have opened page number 6363. Okay, in the previous session we have started with opposite content. Now what is the meaning of opposite? What does the word opposite mean? Opposites are the pair of words that have different meaning. Opposites are the pair of words that have different meaning. Okay, so children, I hope you have opened this page. Yes. Now we are going to read these words. Okay, put your finger here and repeat after teacher. Okay, H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. S-A-D, sad. Happy, sad. D-R-Y, dry. W-E-T, wet. Dry, wet. Yes, next, D-O-W-N, down. U-P, up. Down, up. Yes, I-N, in. O-U-T, out. In, out. Next, C-L-O-S-E, close. O-P-E-N, open. Close, open. Okay, one more time. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Down, up. Down, up. In, out. In, out. Close, open. Close, open. Yes, now children, come to page number 64. Yes, listen it carefully, listen each letter, each sound carefully and sound it correctly, okay? D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. L-O-N-G, long. S-H-O-R-T, short. Long, short. Long, short. Okay? Next. A-W-A-K-E, awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Okay? B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Big, small. Yes? Next. F-A-S-T, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. S-L-O-W, slow. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Yes? Next. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. F-U-L-L, full. F-U-L-L, full. Empty, full. Empty, full. One more time. Day, night. Day, night. long short, long short, awake asleep, awake asleep, big small, big small, fast slow, fast slow, empty full, empty full. Okay, till here I hope you understood. Yes, now take your pencil, sharp your pencil nicely and come to page number 6565. Yes, have you opened the page? Okay. Now children, if you will see in this picture, one practice sheet is there. What? One practice sheet is there. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write some opposites word. What? We are going to write some opposite words. Opposites we are going to write. Now repeat after teacher. Say PRACTICE. Practice. Yes. WRITE, right? THE, the. OSITE, opposite. WORDS, words. Write the opposite words. Write the opposite words. Okay, now what we'll do is, first we are going to read this, okay, then we will write it. Okay, say hot, cold, down, up, happy, sad, in, out, dry, wet, close, open, day, night, big, small, long, short, long, short, fast, slow, awake, asleep, empty, full. Okay, now one more time we have go through with it, right? But now what we are going to do is, if you will see here in this box, some opposite words are there. Yes, some opposite words are there. This is our helping box of opposite. This is our helping box of these opposite words. Okay, so here examples are there, here also words are there. We are going to write the opposite words. Okay, now children, tell me, what will be the opposite of HOT, hot? Hot. In this, up, cold. So what will be the answer? Cold. So give one dot upper side and write the answer. Say HOT, hot, COLD, cold. Say and write. COLD, cold. Yes, hot, cold. Hot, cold. Next, DOWN, down. What will be the opposite word of down? Up. Yes, down माने नीचे की तरफ, up ऊपर की तरफ, down, up. So give one dot over here. Say DOWN, down. UP, up. UP, up. Write with beautiful handwriting. Yes, come to next picture. HAPPY, happy. Yes, so happy. What will be the opposite of happy? Sad. So what is the spelling of sad? Up, cold, out, open, night, short, slow, asleep, full, small, wet and sad. What is the spelling of sad? Give one dot because we have written the answer. Means you won't be confused next time. Right here. SAD. Sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Say and write. S-A-D, sad. Okay. Next word. I-N, in. Say. I-N, in. In, out. In, out. Right here. Where is the spelling of out? Up, cold, out. Give one dot, upper side, and write the spelling of out. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, out. In, out. Repeat after me, all of you. Whenever I am reading the spelling, please repeat after me. In, out. Next, जब भी टीचर बोलेंगे स्पेलिंग रीड करेंगे आपको पीछे बोलना है. D-R-Y, dry. Now what will be the opposite of dry? Come on, already we have written this. So open, night, short, slow, asleep, full, small, wait. Okay, so what will be the opposite of this dry? Dry माने क्या? What? Dry माने what? साफ सुथरा. But wet माने पूरा गीला होना. So write here W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Okay. Next, C-L-O-S-E, close. Yes, close. And opposite of close is close. Door is close. Now open. Very nice. So what will be the spelling of open? Up, cold, out, open. Tell me the spelling. Yes, O-P-E-N, O-P-E-N, open, close, open. Yes. Next example, day. Opposite of day, हमें स्टार कब दिखता है, मून कब दिखता है? Night. Very nice. So here if you will see, we have used this. This is N-I-G-H-T, night. So write the spelling of night. Say D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay. Next, say B-I-G, big. Yes, big. छोटा सा क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Small. Big, small. Now where is the spelling? Come on. Here already we have written. Here is short, slow, asleep, full, small. What will be the spelling of, what is the spelling of small? S-M-A-L-L, small. Say B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Yes. Next, L-O-N-G, long. By height, long. And here small. By height, long, short. Long, short. Long, short. So check the spelling of short. Upper side already we have written. Yes, here S-H-O-R-T, short. Give one dot. Right here say L-O-N-G, long. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Next, come to next word. F-A-S-T, fast. In running, if I am running so fast, in another side another boy is there, he is so, वो बहुत धीमे से रन कर रहा है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? स्लो. फास्ट, स्लो. सो SLOW, slow. Given dot. LONG, sorry, FAST, fast. SLOW, slow. SLOW, slow. Yes. Now AWAKE, awake. Okay, opposite of awake is, awake मतलब जागना, जग जाना. Okay, सोने के बाद से जग जाना. But comparatively if someone is sleeping, then आप सब लोग सो रहे हो, then sleeping, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Asleep. AS. Now see the spelling, asleep. Here it is. ASLEEP, asleep. AWAKE, awake. ASLEEP, asleep. Okay, next EMPTY, empty. What will be the opposite of empty? One glass of water is there, full glass of water, and another is empty, full, empty, full, empty. Okay, so check the spelling. Yes, only here it is remaining, which is FULL, full. FULL, 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 full. EMPTY, empty. FULL, full. Okay, one more time, repeat after teacher. Hot, cold. Down, up. Happy, sad. In, out. Dry, wet. Close, open. Day, night. Big, small. Long, short. Fast, slow. Awake, asleep. Empty, full. Okay, you understood? Now open page number, I hope till here you have completed, all of you. Come to page number 66. Okay, sticker activity. Paste the stickers of opposite words. Paste the stickers of opposite words. Children, these all the stickers are there. Where it is there? In your textbook, literacy skill book के पीछे की तरफ. On the last page you can see all the paste stickers are there. Okay, so all the stickers are there, you have to paste over here. So this will be your homework. HW, homework. You have to paste the related stickers. Yes. Now children, take your workbook. Come on, take your workbook and come to page number 2525. I'll just wait for a second. Take your workbook. Have you opened? Yes. Now open page number 2525 of your workbook and write here opposites. This is your homework. What is here? Opposite. Tick the opposite words. Okay, you have to tick the opposite word. These are the examples. One example I'll give you. Can you see in this picture? Hot tea is there. How is the tea? Tea is HOT, hot. But opposite of hot is cold, soft or hard. What will come? Yes, cold. So what you are going to do is, you are going to tick mark in front of, in that circle. Okay, so like this you have to complete this homework. This will be your homework. First you try to solve by your own, afterwards you can take the help if you will feel any problem. Okay, now come to page number 2626. So children, I hope you have opened page number 2626. Okay, now what is here? Match the opposite words. Okay, opposites match the opposite words. Okay, if you will see here, some pictures are there. Okay, in this picture and in this picture, can you see the difference? Also here in front of these pictures, opposite words are there. What you are going to do is, you have to match those words. Okay, like example, if you will see, this girl, she is holding the umbrella. Okay, she is holding the umbrella means वो क्या हो रही है, वो भीग रही है क्या बारिश में? No, वो साफ सुथरी है. She is dry. So D-R-Y, dry. Now what will be the opposite of dry? Can you see in this picture? This is big, wet, happy and full. This girl is wet. वो already भीग चुकी है बारिश में. So what will be the opposite word of dry? Wet. Right? Take your scale and match it. What you are going to do is, you have to take the scale and match there. Okay children, so dry and wet. What you are going to do is, take the scale in a slanting way and you have to match it. Yes, so this will be your homework. You have to complete at your home. First of all, try to complete by your own. If you will feel some problem, then you can ask to your parents. Okay. So children, here we have completed our new content, which is opposites. I hope you understand the content of opposites. Okay, so we are concluding over here. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.